Hello, class. My name is Caitlin Clausell, and these are the five paintings that jumped out to me. I got these directly from the video. So the first painting is Girl with the Pearl Earring. This is by Jane Vermeer. This was in 1665, the year of 1665. This is an oil painting. It jumped out to me. I don't know. It was something about her eyes that I couldn't seem to not focus on. I was very mesmerized, and that's what caught my attention as soon as the video brought up this painting. I just felt like it was very chic and classic with the elegant large pearl. I think of, ladylike and elegance when I think of pearls, and very detailed and a unique picture that brings realness for an artist back in this time. So the second picture is The Birth of Venus by Sandro Botticelli, I think. I'm sorry if I am butchering some of the names. This was a painting done in 1485. This is the work of tempera on a canvas, which tempera is a pigment bound by egg yolk. And I don't know, it just reminded me of like Princess Ariel in the sea. They were very detailed of her hair, very long, blonde, and flowy. Um, I see the defined shapes or lines that they put in the water. I don't know if those are waves. I think they are though. Um, and I honestly don't think her body was that proportion. Everything was kind of elongated in the picture. So I don't know if this was just their vision of, what a goddess looks like back in 1485, the year 1485. But that was the only thing that kind of threw me off. I also have another Birth of Venus that you can definitely tell that it's more modern. This is by Alexandre Cabanel, and this was done in 1863. And so this was an oil painting. So the last one was Tempera, which was of egg yolk, and this is an oil painting uh, on a canvas. And you can definitely tell the difference in the time of the painting from the one Sandro Botticelli painted. I like the realism and very much more proportion of, body and face, and still the same, but I just feel like just a better version. I actually like this one better than the first one that I chose. It was just that I came across that one first, and then I saw this one as well. And so this is my fourth painting. This is Dancing at the Moulin de la Galette by Pierre Auguste Renoir. This was done in 1876, and this is also an oil painting on canvas. Kind of reminds me of a wedding reception when the whole family and friends are gathered to celebrate some type of unity. It definitely looks like they are having fun. I researched this painting. I don't know how true this is, but it was sold for $78 million in 1990. Wow. Very detailed in all of the faces. Like you can see, most of the faces, even the ones that are far away in the background. And last but not least, The Crucifixion by El Greco. This was done in 1596, and this is also an oil painting. And I felt like this was such a great interpretation of, Jesus' crucifixion. The Lord gave his only son to die on the cross for our sins. And the picture just brings so much joy to me because of how they placed the angels around him, just reminding us that this wasn't a sad or sorrowful event, but to rejoice because we know he rose from the dead. The lines that they gave for his abs and his ribs, like you can see them protruding through his body. And the angels is like they're carrying him. Most of the paintings I did choose are oil paintings, which can have a thin or thick consistency, giving the artist room for greater pigment. And just the art has so many different medias and elements as to how artists can create their masterpieces. So these were my top 5 paintings, and you guys have a great day.